Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm about to be out and about. I'm looking out my front window and the streets look pretty clear today. This is Saturday. It's pretty clear out there. The car is cleaned off. Okay, I'm in the car. I'm so glad it started up because I hadn't started it since Tuesday. And it's been freezing cold weather. So, on our way to hit the streets. You want to say something, Walter?
We're out here to hit the streets. We'll be back shortly. Won't be out too long because it's cold here. Too cold. Not fit for man or beast. It sure ain't fit for me. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, a nice Saturday. Enjoy your rest of your afternoon. Bye now.
Thank you. I'm headed to the post office, y'all. Okay, this is my post office. Y'all seen many times before. Somebody said they was sending me something to my post office mailbox. So we shall see. First time I've been here in a while. Yep. Got some mail that I don't want. That's the key. That's the key. Pick up a package. Throw this away in this recycling bin. Junk mail. Okay, what's the number? Number 6. Locker number 6. Where is it? Hope it ain't down low. Oh, it ain't too bad. Y'all know I can't be bending over because I got vertigo. Okay. Somebody sent me something. Okay. I have no idea what it is yet. Okay, about to get back in the car. So Walter wants to go to Walmart. I need to go and pick up some more food. But really, this is what I should be doing, is cooking the food that I already have in my freezer instead of buying new stuff and then cooking it, and I still got a freezer full of food. So it's just about depleted, everything in the freezer. So we need to go shopping. Got a package.
Throw it in the back.
Yeah, you can throw it in the back. Okay, where we headed? Walmart. You don't need to go to Aldi?
No, I'm in Walmart.
Okay, we headed to Walmart, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm inside of Walmart. Me and Walter, we each have our separate carts.
Crazy.
What's crazy? Oh, they packaged this up so cute. I think people would buy these apples because they're packaged up so cute in the little container. Look how much they cost, y'all. $6.47 for that. I don't care how cute they package. That's too much. Ooh, I love grapes. Do these have seeds? I don't want no seeds. Savers. Let me taste one. Let me rub it off good. I gotta secure my purse. My honey's been getting on me. $1.88 a pound. Somebody else tasting grapes. Well, let me secure this purse. I know better. Okay, good and secure. I wrapped it. Okay. I act like I got a lot of money in here. Actually, if somebody stole my purse and looked through it, they would probably add some money to it and bring it back and apologize. Okay, what's up here I like? I like them things. They look like little knots and they're filled with stuff. Tortellini, is that it? No. It looks something like what I'm talking about. Braised beef, no thank you. That don't sound good. Oh, I shouldn't have eaten that grape. I'm hungry. It made me realize how hungry I am. Let me look at the good cheese over here. Since I don't buy that shredded stuff no more. No, I don't want none of that. It don't look too good. Parmesan. I can't stand the way Parmesan cheese smells. People who like it, they love it. And they can keep it. What is this? Semi-soft, part skim cheese. It costs a lot. Kerrygold. I heard that's a good brand. Kerrygold. I got me a cheese shredder thingy. Gouda. That's good. Everything over here looks good. As a matter of fact, because I am starving. Even this cold roast beef. That looks good. Okay, let me go over here to the cooked food. What is that? I don't know what that is. The green stuff on it. You know what? I got to taste with some fish. I don't want none of that fried chicken. It's not good. Been there, done that. These sweet teas used to be $1. Now they're $1.47. Nope, don't nobody want that. It costs too much. I've had one of these sandwiches before, and I can't remember which one I had, and it was really good. I warmed it up in my air fryer. It turned out good. Philly cheesesteak looks really good to me. But the picture always looks good. And I'm hungry. I like these banana pepper rings. That's good. Okay, what I need. What I'm talking about tomatoes. Bananas, the green bananas. You have to be careful. Put your hand down in a crate of bananas, or some big giant black spiders sometimes can be in them. I would run out of this store screaming. What is this? Free samples? What is this? Frosted sugar cookies. Look like free samples to me. Walker didn't see it. Let me get two. Give him one, give me one. I don't want this. I'd rather have the lunchroom butter cookie. I guess they're free. Well, I'm gonna pretend like they're free. Let me get him a pink one too. Hey, sir, are these cookies free? Thank you. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna get 2 pink ones and 2 white ones. I'll try not to be greedy. Okay, look at that, my free stuff. Okay, see what they got on sale over here. The chocolate cake looks good. Look at that. Not for no $9. I don't need nothing over here. What's that? Mousse. That's on sale, but I don't want that. Let me look at this. Peach apple cobbler. Oh snap, peach apple. Why don't she have a peach cherry? Let me look over here, see if she got one. Nope. I ain't mad at you. Peach apple. Hello. Okay, let me go look at the meat. I really forgot what I came after. I would like some fresh catfish. Let me see, do they have the breaded frozen catfish? I don't see none today. Nope, they ain't got no fish. Nope. What do I want today? I still got that ravioli soup at home. And I got some tuna salad. I'm so blessed. I just want something different. Oh, $2.97. At the dates. 96 floor. We'll make some good burgers. Get that. This is $4.32. That makes good chili. Yeah, I'll get a bigger thing for chili. Actually, the stuff with the most grease in it tastes the best. 90-10. I'll get that. Let me fix this like I found it. That'll be nice today. That goes over there. What's the date? 30. Oh, here's a 131. Newer date. So I'll get the fresher one. I mean the one that'll stay fresh longer. Okay, what else? I can go for a T-bone or a ribeye. That's right, I'm supposed to make some ribeye steak chili. I ain't paying no $16. Oh no. Well, that's the black. These cost more in the black package. T-bones are high. Don't want that. Strip steak, chuck eye. I don't see ribeye over here in the white package. You got to have it. Still on tip. I don't think I've ever heard of chuck eye steak. I don't see no ribeye.
They don't have any chicken wings.
No wings. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have this place closed down.
Chicken leg.
You see these free cookies? They free.
Where?
They up top. I got these for you because I don't like these kinds. So if you want them, you can have them.
Yeah.
Did you want to get some more? Because you're greedy. You ain't got to buy none. So he got some in his bucket. Same cookies.
Come back around right now. I'm trying to find
I'm surprised they don't have wings. I don't see no ribeye steak. So that's what Lyle used. He used ribeye. That's what I wanted to use, but they ain't got none. So, okay, what's reasonable? Chuck eye ain't the same. But no, chuck steak is different. What else they got up in here? Sirloin, strip steak. That costs a lot, y'all. What's wrong with these people? Stir fry. I wonder what kind of steak stir fry steak is. Beef. Oh, I don't want no round steak. Round steak is one of the toughest steaks. No, thank you. Chuck steak. Guess you can tenderize anything. Nah. You know, the steak in the black package costs more than the white package. I mean, it's supposed to be better. Oh, that's Angus. Black Angus steak. And this is just regular cow.
You getting a steak or something?
I was looking for something to put in my chili.
Got that flat iron steak.
I ain't never had no flat iron. How much? $4.39. Maybe. That's not enough. I would have to mix it with the ground beef. I mean, look how much you get. That little bitty. It don't make sense to put it in there. I'll mess it up in the chili. But it's cheap. Okay, I'll try this. Here's a little larger piece. My goodness. I'll try it. Okay. Let me turn this off. Oh, I ran into y'all. My pastor's wife, my first lady.
Hey everybody. Sure gonna teach me how to cook.
Okay. You're a good cook and I know it. Big healthy kids of yours. I know.
Thank you. So good to see you.
Good to see you too.
You can steak.
I just got a little piece. I'm gonna try putting it in some chili. Slice it up real thin.
Yeah, that's my husband's secret ingredient.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Thinking about this. He's supposed to cook for me tonight, so we'll see.
Oh, what a treat.
Yes, I'm looking forward to that.
There's Walter.
He's somewhere here.
There's Walter right there.
Hey, Walter. How are you?
I love Frosted Flakes. And Walter don't eat cereal, so it would stay in my house until it got stale. Because I'd have to be eating the whole thing up. And look at this. They got donuts. Donut cereal. I love Frosted Flakes. Actually, the store brand Frosted Flakes tastes better. I like good softer bread. Sara Lee is good. They got Sara Lee butter bread. I don't think I've seen it before. I usually get the honey wheat. I think I'll stick with my honey wheat. February 5th, that's my mama's birthday. Rest in heaven, mama. Okay, in the pizza area. Fries. I'm starving, so I might buy anything right now. Everything looks good. Screaming Sicilian. Those pizzas are loaded. Cheeseburger pizza. Walter likes hamburger pizza. If you really don't care for pizza like I do, they have the Motor City pizza. They call it that because it's square. I found that out. Home run in. That's what I usually get. I get the meat lovers. $5.88. I think I want some tacos, so I'm gonna get some taco shells. I like to kind of stand up. Here's some ranch flavored. I don't want that. Here's some nacho cheese flavored shells. $2.25. Look, here's a bigger box. 15 in here. Standing stuff, taco shells. I don't want the one in the front because it's probably been knocked on the floor. Okay, here's some down here. How many in here? 10. The bold. Got everything in it. I don't need everything. $2.54.
I'm gonna get some things. That's about all I can get at the grocery.
Okay.
I mean, I got a couple of
And Walter's little stuff. You seen Pastor Tony yet? You seen Pastor Tony yet in here?
No, I ain't looking for
I'm looking for him. Okay. Let me find some. I think we got taco sauce. Okay. Watch it. You in the aisle. I'm going to be in the store somewhere. Well, you know where the car is. I don't either. Oh, hot peppers. I'm supposed to be looking for pizza sauce. I'm not going to stay over here till you come back. Ain't no telling where I'll be up in here. I might be over there looking at the shoes. Okay, what do I want? I like the hot sauce. Okay, I'll get this. The medium taco sauce. I'll get some more ground beef. In the seasoning aisle, everything is so picked over. Everybody is out and about, getting stuff while they still can. Let me look over here. Okay. I got one of these taco mixes. I'm gonna get this. Okay. They got a Lefty spices. I think I want some more. Mine been gone. Lefty spices. This is good on your air fried chicken wings. This particular fish breading, the Cajun, it is so spicy even for me. And you know I really love spicy food. So I usually have to cut this with another type of breading. But that by itself is hot. It makes me cough and talk funny like this. I'm just gonna get him some free cookies. He's trying to take all of them. Look at you. Trying to take all of them.
took some.
This ain't trick or treat.
Say they free.
Yeah, they free. He ain't supposed to stand and stuff his pockets with the free cookies. Looks very suspicious. Okay, I want some shredded lettuce. For the tacos, I'll get this. Okay. something else I meant to get, and I know I don't have it.
So you ought to make a list.
You're supposed to help me remember.
I don't even know what you want.
You're supposed to know. Onion, got onion. You ate up all the potatoes, right?
Potatoes, I guess. Yeah.
You guess.
I have one potato, one big potato.
How can you fix your mouth to say you only had one potato? Man. Oh. Like this pico de gallo on my tacos. I don't want to buy that. No. He's talking about going to Harold's Chicken. Okay, let me put this away. Okay, y'all, just looked outside and the snow is really, really, really coming down. So I ain't going nowhere else. Going home. I hate that. I was shocked when I walked past the door. Walker was talking about going to Harold's Chicken. We going home. Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. We just put the groceries in the back seat because the trunk is locked. I mean, it's frozen and closed, so we can't open it. And Walter's cleaning the windows off. Look at this, y'all. Ooh. Snow just got on me. This snow is coming down in my front window. And he talking about going to Harold's Chicken. We're gonna get some Ford's chicken at home. What am I gonna fix today? Something quick and easy. Y'all know after I shop, I don't like to fix anything, really. I don't know yet. This came so fast. Lord, I don't want to be slipping and sliding driving. Shoot. I thought I'd be able to go to church tomorrow. I haven't been. I didn't go last Sunday and I didn't go Wednesday to Bible study. I hope this is not another Sunday that I can't go to church. 'Cause I ain't driving in this slippery stuff. What is he talking about? He's supposed to know his sign language. He ain't gonna get hurt if he don't stop with the gestures. I got a few gestures too. Okay, bye y'all. Okay, y'all, we're both safely home. Look at this snow. Walter just did the driveway. He mad. Let me get the groceries and help bring them in. Okay, we're back inside to a nice warm house. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. I'm thinking I'm gonna fix some tacos. That's quick and easy. You want some tacos, Walter? No? Okay, he took too long to answer. He ain't getting none. Okay. Okay, I want to thank you all for coming along with us. I enjoyed you all's company. Okay, thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And please subscribe if you're not already. Honey. Okay. Bye, y'all. Till next time.